taon na experience sa ating mga damdamin na we are, until now, even our president is already done with his duty as the president of our country. We're still loving him. We're still continue supporting him because we know that our president did a good job during his term, 2000 President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Again, later I will be calling you to come here in front to say your mga damdamin or wish sa ating Pangulo sa kanyang 80th birthday, which was on last March 28. So, lahat po tayo ay kaya prepare po tayo for matalalan. Hindi po tayo safe na safe. As long as hindi tayo gagawa ng violence, yan po, we have the right to speak up kasi na Pilipino tayo, we're living in a democratic country at meron tayong kalayaan mamaya ng ating mga damdamin sa gawin natin sa ating gobyerno. Pero in this moment, ang purpose po natin kung bakit tayo dito is to really show our support and love to our ex-president, Rodrigo Duterte. Maraming salamat po. So mag-aantay lang po tayo sa ating mga kasamahan na dumalo at nakita na natin na madami-dami na tayo will start right away our program. Maraming salamat po.
Duterte! Martes.
Tarong ni Harolan. Sana i-roll call na yung mga tao. Wala pa.
Duterte pa rin. Ang Pilipinas.
So I hope everybody has already a copy of the song. So this is
Elizabeth sa kanyang effort na pumunta doon sa pulisya. At sa inyong lahat, maraming salamat from Laredo, Cascovejo, at sa lahat sino pang pumunta dito na galing sa ibang lugar. Maraming salamat sa pagsuporta nyo. At alam naman natin ang mga pangyayari ngayon, one-sided lang. Dapat natin ding ipagdasal kung anong nangyari.
Finance Secretary Sonny Dominguez, which made our country one of the fastest growing economy in Asia. Duterte! 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 Number 2, Bill under the Department of Public Works and Highways under the Secretary Mark Villar. Number 3, Transportation and Modernization under the Department of Transportation Secretary Mark Tugade, who made mass transportation safe, reliable, and available. Mark Tugade completed more than 200 airports projects, 400 seaports, and 21 lighthouses. So, okay, another one, accomplishment. Our Ninoy Aquino International Airport improved from being one of the worst airports in the world to being the most improved airport by 2018. The Naglas Bala for extortion were stopped completely in his administration. Number 4, free college education. It means free tuition fee for our tertiary students. Number 5, an independent foreign policy. The U.S. was forced to return the Filipino girls of Samar, which seized by the USA Army as trophy. The Philippines had demanded the return of the bells, which were used to signal the Filipino rebels to attack the U.S. Duterte reduced red tape for the masses and made the oligarch toe the line. Number 7, universal health care insurance coverage expanded from 90% to the population of 100%. COVID-19 proved too complex to contain despite 9,000 new treatment facilities with 140 bed capacity and 36 million vaccine arrivals. Okay, in addition, nandito tayo. We have national ID. We have Malasakit Center. Malasakit Center under Duterte. OFW card overseas Filipino ba? Dapat alam natin yan na meron po tayo overseas Filipino ba? Ayan. Under also the bilang kalinga at sa OFW, and under also the anti-illegal drug campaign, dropped and risk and reputation in Mindanao. Para we also undercut for the reputation. Okay, how about this? Are you aware of the Boracay rehabilitation? Sino nakakaalam na napaganda ang Boracay? Sino sa inyo ang nakakaalam na ang Manila Bay at Pasig River ay gumanda? Sino sa inyo ang nakakaalam na ang Pantawid o Pamilyang Program o Corpus ay nangyari kay Duterte? How about mga bagong kulay, new bridges? Ayun, is the move. What about new roads on Bago Calzada? Again, are you aware that we have new train railways during the Duterte? Yes! Double the salaries of the armed forces of the Philippines and the police? Yes! What about free education for the farmers? Are you aware of this? Yes! Ayan, Magna Carta for the poor. Are you aware? This is also done during the RD. 10-year driver license! 10 years expanded maternity law! 10 years passport! 10 years seaman book! 10 years we have also OFW laws in Terminal 1, 2, and 3. So kapag kayo po ikuwi, punta po kayo sa meron tayo dyan napakalang tambayan ng mga Filipino workers. Ayan. So yan lamang ay ilan na nangyari during PRD. I would like to announce that later meron po tayong mga vocal singers o mga soloist. Ayan, tawagin po natin mamaya-maya. Pero, I think, yes, bago tayo magtawag ng bawat isa sa inyo, because again, you are allowed 2 minutes or birthday wishes to our ex-president. Pero bago po natin yung puntahan, I'd like to call on Kuya Manny to give sa group. Okay, so palakpakan po natin ang grupo ni Manny to give us a song. Please come over.
Dito na lang kami.
Dito yung stage. Dito yung stage.
Duterte! 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 Iayayahan ko ang mga magiiting na lalaki diyan. Malikod lang kayo sa akin. Dito lang kayo.
Umarap kayo sa kanya.
Ako, kayo.
Dito lang kayo.
At sa kanya yumi at ganda, dayuhan ay nahalina. Bayan ko, pinihan ka, asad na sa dusa.
At tayo kayo!
Di mo man may layang lumipad, tulungin mo at umiiyak. Bayan pa kayang sagdalaya.
Duterte!